How do you get through an inlet like Haulover Inlet? Okay, we say we're going outbound. Ocean is that way. Okay, those waves and stuff are awful. The reason they are awful and you chose to go out is because you chose to go out at a bad time. Okay, let's say we have wind. This is what you need to look out for. You need to look out for a strong wind and strong seas. Say we're talking about Haulover, which is in Miami on the East Coast, US, and we have seas moving in this way too. Okay, so wind and seas are funneling through this inlet like this. But look at the currents too. Look at the tides. All right, current. Current, because of the tides, can rip through here again because it's the only inlet in the area. And that outgoing tide, the lowering tide, is going to fight that wind and those seas coming in. That's what creates those crazy, crazy conditions, and that's where you see all of those awful videos. So I would never recommend going through there in those conditions. Absolutely, you need to check the weather and make sure there's not a strong wind, strong seas, and then an outgoing current.